I decided to take part in Vlogmas this year after I don't know how many years since I haven't done Vlogmas. I think it's at least 6 years. I think the last time I did it was 2016. I used to be so excited about Vlogmas back in the day. And if you're a real YouTube OG, you know exactly what Vlogmas is. But if you don't know what it is, it's when I guess YouTubers vlog every single day in the month of December. And usually people post very Christmassy content, so they could bake stuff and I don't know, decorate their homes, blah blah blah, things like that. And yeah, or some people just vlog the way they normally would. Just happens to be Vlogmas type of thing. So since we don't vlog or don't post or rarely post videos, this is obviously a bit of a production for us, or for me, and I'm kind of excited about it. Now that I have a baby, I'm sort of like excited to sort of see what our Christmases look like in the future. So this is a great way of kind of documenting that for ourselves, but for him as well, to be able to kind of see what life is like during the Christmases, the holiday season or the Christmas season. Anyway, so what to expect in my vlogs, or in my Vlogmas. I think I'm gonna try and do a mixture of actual vlogging and just videos. So if I know like we don't really have anything going on that day, I'll try and figure out some content to post, because our lives aren't that interesting, you guys. Yeah, I'm not even ashamed of that. Like, I'm totally good with a pretty basic, boring life, but because we kind of have the same type of routine and stuff like that, which seems hectic to us, but really it's pretty boring from the outside looking in, I think. But I'll try and share stuff that's really Christmassy, or yeah, if we're doing something interesting. This coming weekend, for example, I know we have a tree cutting, and we also have, I think we have our holiday photos scheduled. We normally have a professional take the photos, but this year I'm trying to take them by ourselves, and so that should be something. Anyway, so yeah, so just kind of stick around to just see what we're up to. And it's also a great chance maybe to see my family, my little boy and my husband, and my family in general, and my extended family and stuff, and in-laws, I think. But we'll see how it goes. I don't necessarily guarantee that I'll be able to film everybody, because I'm the one on YouTube, and so I don't have the expectation that other people want to be on YouTube, you know what I mean? So I kind of don't tend to pull my camera out that way unless the people are well aware of it, and interested. In any case, so yeah, so this is just an intro so that I can post something today. I hope I make it this year. I hope I make it. I hope I'm actually able to make it through 25 days of Vlogmas. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and maybe you guys can tell me what kind of content would be interesting to see on my channel. I haven't been on here much. I think part of it is I just kind of feel like I don't know what I should be YouTubing about sometimes these days. It feels like, yeah, like I don't really do a lot of the things that I used to do in the past, and so yeah, maybe this is a great way for me to test content out and just see what I could be vlogging and creating content about in the future. In any case, I will end this video now. If you're still watching, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!